All right. So we're doing something pretty cool today. We're gonna slam the 6 today. We're gonna see how low we can get it. I'm gonna take the collars off the rear springs and max out the coilovers, see how low we can get this thing, and if it sucks, then I'll just raise it back up. You know, just waste a bunch of my time, but I want to see how it looks maxed out, so that's what we're doing. I'm gonna take those guys out. I don't know, I might just do one. I don't like that. Alright, so I put the green collar back in. Just gonna keep it with that. Yeah, I don't know. I didn't like how much it shifted around without it. Finished the passenger side, got the driver's side good. It's all tightened up. Oh wow, nothing. We'll pop this brake real quick. Oh, that looks good. It's gonna rub all of this shit. Can't wait. I'm not gonna go all the way because it's already rubbing bad. Probably gonna change this anyway, so we'll just do it this way and see how it looks like that. If I can go lower, I'll go lower, but we're gonna, you know, take it slow. Oh shit.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place.